Let's have some school fun. Hi, teacher. Welcome to your new school. Let's clean up first before we start decorating. School renovation. Great job! Now the school looks amazing. Let's make a cool school sign. Cool! Helping the kids. Let's help the students solve little problems. To go first. Okay, let's see. Let's solve the puzzle together. Great. Okay, who's next? Okay, let's see. Let's connect the items. Perfect. Okay, who's next? Okay, let's see. Let's solve the puzzle together. Great. Okay, who's next? Okay, let's see. Let's connect the items. Well, okay, who's next? Okay, let's see. Let's solve the puzzle together. Great. Okay, who's next? Well, that was fun. Seat and match game. Help the new students find their places. Awesome! Quick, find the student seats. Perfect. pet care. Time for the kids to learn more about taking care of the class pets. Oh, poor Bunny. He needs your help. Don't move. Let's clean you up. Your mustache looks funny, Bunny. This should help. Good. Are you hungry, Bunny? You really are hungry. Turtle, you're a mess. Let's remove those. Good. Nothing that a sponge can't fix. Let's clean this up. Perfect. Excellent. Are you hungry, Turtle? Oh, sure you are. Oh, Mr. Hamster, you don't look well. Ooh, this needs fixing. Ew, gross. Don't move. Ooh, this needs fixing. Ooh, this needs fixing. Open your mouth. Nice. Wow, are you hungry, Turtle? Oh, sure you are. The kids are hungry. It's lunchtime. Time to turn into a chef and help them get their favorite food. So what would you like to eat today? There you go. Healthy fruit. So what would you like to eat today? Let's make a smoothie. A smoothie for energy and refreshment. Let's make you a cupcake.